everybody, today we're working on a Honda Pilot. This one in particular is a 2006. Problem we got here is we don't have any heat coming out of the front vents. So when we move this knob around from hot to cold, we get kind of lukewarm air coming out of the front vents here. In the back here, out of the back vents, we get real hot air. Just in the front here, all we get is AC working, but no hot air, just lukewarm air. So if you guys are shopping around, some people tell you need a new heater core, you gotta flush out the heater core, you gotta replace the blend door actuators on it. There's a very simple fix to this one, and suggest trying this out, and it won't cost you anything before spending a whole bunch of money on replacing a whole bunch of unnecessary parts on it. So show you guys here, first thing we want to do is take out the cover off of the engine, and then we look in the back here in the motor. Back the motor here, you guys could see this valve, and this is what controls your heat inside the car. We got this wire, a little bit hard to see. Alright, there you go. So you got that wire coming in from the inside of the car. That's actuated by the actuator inside. And when you turn the heat on, what it does is it opens up this valve to allow hot coolant flowing through to the heater core to get the hot air inside. When you turn the AC on, it closes this up. So that wire will go back and forth to open and close this valve. Let me see if I can get you guys a better picture of the valve. This valve right here, you can see on top of it, there's a screw. So that screw over there gets loose over time, and a lot of times this is your problem when your heat doesn't work so well in the front. The screw loosens up and that valve doesn't open and close properly with that wire. So all you got to do is just take a screwdriver, let me see if I can get you guys a better angle here. There's that screw. You can see this guy's loose. It's got a lot of play in it. So we want to make sure we get that guy nice and tight. And now go try out your heat and it should work. Now if your screw was loose, then most definitely this is your problem. So I hope this video helps you guys out, and good luck with the repair. Thank you for watching.